Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Grand Theft Auto V first mission. To begin, navigate to Franklin's house, which is clearly marked with a green F on your map in the Strawberry District. Once you arrive, simply walk up to the front door. This action will automatically trigger a cinematic cutscene, introducing you to the mission's objectives and setting the stage for your first adventure in Los Santos. Get ready for some action. After the initial cutscene, you'll find yourself with Lamar, ready for your first task. Your objective is to repossess 2 motorcycles. Follow Lamar as he drives to the Vespucci Beach area. Once there, you'll need to locate and steal both a Bagger and a Faggio motorcycle. Be quick and efficient, as the owners might not be too happy about losing their rides. This is where your driving skills truly begin to shine. With the motorcycles secured, your next step is to return them to the dealership. However, be prepared for a chase. The police will likely be alerted to your activities and will pursue you. Focus on evading them by using your driving skills. Take advantage of the city's numerous alleys and shortcuts to shake off any tailing police cars. Successfully losing them is crucial to completing this part of the mission. Finally, once you've successfully evaded the police, drive the stolen motorcycles to the designated dealership garage. Look for the yellow marker on your map and on the ground. Carefully park both the Bagger and the Faggio within this marked area. Once both vehicles are safely delivered, a final cutscene will play, signifying the successful completion of your very first mission in Grand Theft Auto V. Congratulations, you've just started your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.